Carnival just got voted cruise ship feature best. You wanna know what it is? I'll be right back. Boats are in, and cruise lovers thrill-seeking options on every cruise line, but it is Carnival Cruise Line's high-speed, twisty, first of its kind boat that has taken the top honors as the best cruise ship feature in the 2024 Cruise Hive Awards. The dynamic, thrilling coaster received 34% of the votes, well above the second place attraction and securing a spot as a top choice for a unique and exciting cruise experience. Boat Ultimate Sea Coaster is featured on all three Carnival Cruise Line's XL class ships, having made significant waves in the cruise thrill industry when Mardi Gras launched back in 2021. Likewise, Carnival Celebration and Carnival Jubilee also showcased the top deck roller coaster with motorcycle style seats and phenomenal 360-degree views. No one believed a roller coaster could be put on a cruise ship until Carnival announced the addition of the boat back in 2018. As Mardi Gras was under construction, at that time all interest was on just how the coaster would be engineered and what thrills it would offer adrenaline-seeking guests. The all-electric coaster, designed and built by German manufacturer Motor Rides, sends two riders at a time on a thrilling 800-foot track above Deck 19 and around the ship's iconic whale tail funnel. Guests taking on board have some control over the ride speed, making each loop unique and just as thrilling as riders there. The top speed is 35 to 40 miles per hour, and the coaster rises to a height of 187 feet above sea level. All riders must be at least 52 inches 4 feet 4 inches tall to enjoy both, and no more than 77 inches tall, which is a 6'5" tall human. A weight limit of 300 pounds per rider, a total of 440 pounds for two riders together, and a trailing force to ensure safety. Because possible jerky motions, acceleration, sudden stops, the ride is not recommended for those who might be pregnant, have back or neck problems, heart problems, or other conditions. These are standard procedures for most land-based roller coasters as well, and all riders should heed warning appropriately. Similarly, no loose articles are permitted on the ride, and no cameras, GoPros, or other recording equipment is permitted to be used during the ride. Both hours of operation vary on each cruise, and the ride might be closed if high wind or rain might affect its operation. Both is an extra charge attraction costing about $15 per rider for 2 full laps around the track in a single ride. Charges are processed to guests shipboard, sail, and sign cars. This is not the first year Bolt has taken the top honors in the Cruise Hive Awards. The feature was also voted the best in 2023, 2022, and 2021. Every year has been eligible for their reader-driven recognition. Well, congratulations to you, Mr. Bolt. I hope you get to keep enjoying what's coming to you. I haven't done it myself. Of course, I haven't been on an XL class ship yet, but I've seen it. I've seen the coaster from a distance on one of these ships every time we visit Cozumel or other ports. So, any more exciting news about it, I will let you know. I know it's been a while, so let's get back into business. Everybody have a great end of the year, and let's celebrate all together and look for a best deal in 2025. Talk to you all soon. Eddie Lucas Studios. Bye.